There you are, Gandalf.
Gandalf, yes.
It's a star.
Gandalf,
See? It's Gandalf.
yes.
Woman version.
Everybody sees it, everybody want to come and see Madeira.
Oh, that's a funny equipment.
Yeah, but this is going to bring in more tourists now.
Now
Like
I will search it.
Everybody wants to come now when they see this. Because you see all angles.
I will search
Yeah.
that. Trying to buy one of those.
Oh. Yeah, they're quite good. You can even put it in your car and do a whole video for sure. You can mount in your car.
Yes.
So when you go, it records everything.
It's like a CCTV camera.
Yeah, but all angles. It's Google. Like Google.
Do you have any idea why are there no snakes here? It's a road on that.
Probably because they are they have no way to come from here. Because in the endemic forest, it was an isolated island.
I think you're talented.
So the snakes, they are not coming inside by any way. The only way they can come over there, actually, it's from human activity. So when they bring some animal from here, fortunately, the navigators and government don't drop any snakes to survive in here. And as the days go on, if you want to bring an animal who is not native from Madeira, they have options of, okay, you can bring your animal from here, castrate it.
So somebody should import a snake.
In the mainland Portugal, I had one chinchilla, and I tried to bring my chinchilla from Madeira, and there is no option for that. If you want to bring your chinchilla, you must castrate the animal.
Oh, so they don't breed. That's interesting. So they don't breed.
No.
So-
They don't give options. If you want to bring your animal, castrate them.
We don't want it to be a native species here.
I don't want to do that to the animal.
Like the plant. What is that plant you brought in and then now it's becoming a problematic?
Yes.
The
like
cactus? Is it cactus?
No,
What
we
is
have a
that?
lot of them. We
You
have
have a lot?
eucalyptus.
Eucalyptus, yeah.
Eucalyptus is from Australia. We have the mimosas, are not from here. That one is from here. Some bushes, for example, the carcaja, and another one is not from here too. So we have a lot of species in here. For example,
Yeah.
do you know what is that beautiful flower with an orange?
Oh, that one. Yes, yes.
Do you know the name of that flower?
Is that the dragon something?
No, the bird of paradise.
Oh yeah, the bird of paradise, yes.
Yes?
So that's not native here.
It's not native from here. Do you know where does he come from?
Yeah.
South Africa.
Ah, interesting.
So they bring
Oh, this is nice.
they
rock.
bring a
Take
lot
me a
of things
picture.
from here. They are not from here. One of the native trees from here is the dragon.
Here. Hold
The
this.
dragon tree.
Hold this. Continue walking. I'm coming.
No. What's this? No, that's a camera. Film all the time. Film all the time, and the 300 all around.
On our Greek island Lesbos, we have been told they brought in a very venomous snake, which called Ottoman viper from Turkey, and put it on the island.
They put them.
Yeah,
they breed?
and oh yeah,
Oh God.
but so if you walk certain places, you can meet
You
them.
can find
and,
it.
They are not good.
Let me put me on.
Quite bad.
No, it's good.
They say it's the most venomous snake in Europe. I don't
You
know.
don't want
I
to
don't
sleep.
know.
You don't want to sleep in there.
Say you like my pocket?
Yeah. So Here.
I thought you were a new
Because if you
Gandalf.
look close, you see your head.
Oh. Wow.
So it's
Really?
yeah. Because the camera is very...
Sensitive.
You can see? Can you see? Hold on. I walk front, you can see. Can you see?
Yeah.
And then you see?
Okay.
So you do here. So you get...
This is not the camera, this is paparazzi.
It is paparazzi. Say hello.
Talk about snakes. You have been in Thailand.
In Thailand?
Yeah.
Yes.
And I had my sunbed under a coconut tree
Yes.
every day for 30 days.
Yes.
One day
Wow.
I was
This is nice.
another place, and then a green snake has fallen on my sunbed.
When they go home.
And I started, I wasn't there, but someone had killed it. I started read, there's 10 green snakes in Thailand.
Very nice. Go in front and I'll take a picture. In between the cliff. Nice. Ooh, careful, babe. The good old bin. Listen, babe. Very nice.
So which do you, so far, which did you, minus the company, so far, which did you prefer?
This is quite nice.
This side or
Honestly,
that?
yeah. Well, you can't swim on this side.
No.
But the walkies and very beautiful scenery as well. It is a good side of the island.
Yeah.
I think if you're a hiker, this is perfect
Yeah.
one. But there was one yesterday, he said that people hike there a lot when the rain, obviously.
No, yeah. Okay.
Man. He goes, this is not camera, it's paparazzi. Also, the film from down there. Very good.
You must buy something to put on your belt.
Yeah?
Like
No.
that way.
This one has a backpack.
It is?
You can put it on a backpack if you want.
Oh my god.
And if you're like taking a walk, just
So
walk.
that gadget has no limits.
It has no limits. It's limitless.
Oh. I told him to them.
And you can do live on YouTube as well.
Yes.
On it.
I told him now from him. I must confess, I am a gadget guy. And I look there, I start. I'm gonna steal that.
It's good. It's,
Do
I
you
don't
have
know.
see the birds?
Euro, actually. I think maybe 3,000 euro.
Yeah.
3,000 euro. In euro.
You have buy it in London?
This one is a Chinese brand.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's very good because it's easy to control. Even 5-year-old can,
Mhm.
but it does a lot. Like functionality, you can do live, like live.
Yes, yes, yes.
So let's say you're doing a live event, you can connect straight on YouTube, somebody can watch what you're
That-
doing.
And that's good because I am a karaoke DJ.
Yeah.
I
so-
am a karaoke DJ.
And it has a stand on my bag.
And sometimes I liked to put everybody sing.
Yeah, yeah,
And I don't have that option.
Yeah.
I
It's
only
good.
do with my phone.
Oh, look at this beautiful flowers. This is beautiful. It reminds me of
On the way back, we
Yeah.
stop in here.
Free for clients.
Oh,